Hey everybody, this is Darren from EasyPassiveProfit.com. Today I wanted to go over with you how to actually set up two free websites with absolutely no risk to you. What you'll do is you go to EasyPassiveProfit.com/wealthy affiliate, and it will bring you to this page here. Now I've actually already set up a starter account, but what you'll do is you'll enter in your email address. Let's see. Yeah, you'll enter an email address and click on Get Started. And you'll enter your name, username, and password that you want, and then click Get Started Now. Now, when you start a starter account, you do not have to put any banking information or credit card information, so that's why it's absolutely no risk to you. When you get signed in and stuff, it'll bring you to the dashboard. There's two different ways you can create the websites. The first one is going to be clicking up here and hit build a website, or you can go to websites down here in the left hand column and go to site builder or site domains, or right over here, since I don't have any websites, that option's here right there, build a website. We'll go to site builder. Now, whenever you're a starter member, you can actually get domains, but Wealthy Affiliate won't host them. You'll have to find your own hosting, but you can actually purchase domains as a starter member. But in order to get the free domain and hosting, you have to go with the free domain. So what you'll do is you click on free, enter in the website name that you want. Let's go with Dog Beds United. .siterubix.com, and that is actually available. Title for the website, Dog Beds United. And here are all the themes you can go through. Let's check out a few of them here. Now, in order to get more information about these and how they're laid out, you'll just click on the demo. The details, or I'll show you this real quick. This shows you who actually made the theme itself. And the last time it was updated, this wasn't updated for about 2 years. You want one that has frequent updates, because over time there are bugs and stuff that are found and that needs fixed. But to demo, to see what it's going to be looking like, you just click on demo. And there you have what it's going to look like. You got your menu up there, the title, the different this is how your home page would be looking like. You got the left column, you got the right column, and you can see how the text is laid out as well. Let's go this hello world. This is going to be the first one. Let's check this out, HTML. This will show you how everything looks when it's laid out as far as the text and stuff. If you're happy with it, then you can go back to website builder and hit choose this theme, or you can go through the rest of these and find out which one you want. Now, as you can see, where it says premium on these, those are ones that as a starter member you don't have access to. But whenever you are a starter member, you have access to these right here. Yeah. That's all you have access to. But with the premium, you have access to the 3,816 different things to choose from. There's quite a bit. The one that I've usually started off with is actually just this one right here. Well, this one and this one. But you can pick whichever one you want. We'll do something different this time. We'll go with let's choose this one. So whenever you get all this information entered in, the website address, the title, and the design, the theme, you'll click here to build the website. And the good thing about using the Wealthy Affiliate platform is that it is WordPress. There are some others out there that are absolutely free as well. Wix, I've heard they are, but I haven't really looked into them very much. Now, some of the other ones like Bluehost, you can get a domain and hosting for them, but it's not free. But if you're wanting an absolutely free website and hosting, this is one of the ways to do it, through Wealthy Affiliate as a starter member. And then whenever all this here is set up, you'll be ready to log into it. Now to log into it to the WordPress or the Wealthy Affiliate platform, you'll hit login now, and it'll pop up in a new window. Let's just check out the home screen, the home page. This here's what it looks like. Now, whenever you first start your website, you will want to actually go through and delete the Hello World comments and the Hello World post. So in order to do that, what you'll do is you'll go to Dashboard. You go to Posts and All Posts. Now, another thing you can do if you want to just delete the comment, you can just go to Comments and delete the comment itself. But since this is it's on the same post, and I just want to get it all deleted, you'll go to the All Posts and then hit Trash, and then this will delete it. Then we'll send it to the trash, and you can go there to permanently delete it if you want, and delete permanently. We'll check that again. Yep. And as you can see now, it is all deleted. And this is bare bones. This is where you want to do what you want with it, build it out the way that you want. Now, as far as putting out content, you have people say it once a week, 5 days a week, once a month. I try and strive for at least once a week putting out content. You don't want to, I know whenever you first start, you want to, do the best that you can, but I mean, although that is good, you don't want to bust out, for the first 10 weeks, you don't want to bust out 3 articles a week and then fall short on time after that and only have like maybe 1 or 2 every couple of weeks. So what you want to do is you want to just kind of start out at your own pace. I'd say you start out with at least one blog post a week and see how that goes. If you find that you have more time to do more content, to put out more content, then by all means do it. But you just don't want to overwhelm yourself, because it is actually pretty easy to do. Now, I'll show you a little bit more about the dashboard here. Now the plugins, whenever you first start, you'll go to plugins and hit install the plugins, and you'll have 3. Oh yeah, since they've updated the WordPress to version 5, it is different. And if you want to, you can just go back to the classic editor. But I mean, that is your choice. But the EWWW image optimizer, this here shrinks your image file size, compresses it, and makes it better for the loading time. Now the all-in-one SEO, you can also use Yoast SEO. I've never used it. I've just used the all-in-one SEO pack. Now, whenever you set it up, they will kind of push it on you to upgrade to premium, but you don't have to with any of this. I've just stayed free, you know. If I ain't gotta pay for something, why pay for it, you know? But the users, you'll want to go to users, hit all users. Now this here you'll want to actually change, because this is the default login. You know, anybody can type, anybody that knows about it, the WordPress, how it's set up and stuff, how to log into it. They, you know, the default is going to be admin, so you want to actually create another account or create another user before you get too far with your website, because I've actually failed to do that when I first started out, and I actually got my account hacked and the website was taken down. That wasn't very fun. But the good thing about it was that with the Wealthly Affiliate, I was able to get site support, help me out, get it all reset and change the password and stuff. And another good thing is, if you think that your account's been hacked or whatever, you can hit the reset password. This is a current password, and all you do is hit reset password, and it will change it, just like that. Another thing you will want to do is go to settings, general settings. Oh yeah, since I did change the password, it did log me out. So admin, and then just copy and paste the password. And here's where you can adjust the site title, tagline. Now if you want to set it up as a membership website, I've never done that, so I couldn't honestly tell you how well it works. But you'll also want to change the date format and time format, as well as the time zone that you're in. It makes it easier for you to know what time and stuff you want to release your articles and stuff. Now the appearance, this is where you can actually change the themes or the design. Now the menus and widgets, those are good to have. On this theme, it's basically the same. It's actually in separate blocks on this thing, but you can actually, let's see, go to widgets, and let's go with custom HTML. You can either put it at the very top or kind of in the middle. The title I just leave blank, and I'll show you why here in a minute. Let's see. Now, you don't actually have to know code to work on the websites. That's the awesome thing about WordPress. Before I actually built my own websites, and now I just use WordPress because it is so much easier. It truly is. Yep. Added a W. All right, we'll go ahead and save this, and I'll actually show you more about this later on because I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to kind of show you some basics. So you can see how it added this right there. Now if you want to actually put a title on that, I'll show you how it is and why I don't necessarily do it with the way I do it on here. Title. Hello everyone. And scroll down and hit save. And go back to visit website. And you can see how the title is up there at top and then the paragraph right there. There's some instances it might be good, but me, I wasn't really interested in doing it that way. I just rather just put the code in. But that's pretty much the gist of it. And to create content, all you do is hit all posts. You can add content like this by hitting add new, or you can actually go into the websites and hit site content. Whenever you first do this, it'll give you kind of a quick tour of it. Now you can go to templates. Whenever you first start, there's 4 templates. I'll show you them real quick. The affiliate disclosure, this is something that you do want to have on your website if you have any kind of affiliate links. The about me is where you want to tell more about yourself. The keyword rich content page, this is good for, you know, when you're doing the keyword research to put out new articles and stuff. And the privacy policy is something else you want to do. The privacy policy you want to have as an actual page, not a post. And the affiliate disclosure you want to have as you want to have that as a page as well. The about me, yeah, I'll show you how it is real quick, just the layout of it. And this is whenever you're using templates. If you just want to start from scratch, you can do that as well. As you can see here, it's already got the headlines. And here you'll just want to enter in your whatever you want to. Just a quick biography about yourself. And you can title it whatever you want to, but in the training, it also tells you how to do this as well. But it should be just about it. Whenever you first do it, it is absolutely free. Now they will push you to upgrade to premium, but you don't have to. You can say free the whole time, starter member, and you can still have hosting through the site Rubik's platform. But if you want to have your own domain where they host it, you'll actually have to go premium, and that's whenever you can have the 50 websites, 50 or 25 site Rubik's free domains, and you can also have the 25 actual domains. But that's up to you. I don't suggest getting that many, especially right off the bat, because that is going to be a lot of work. But that's how it's done. If you have any questions, be sure to check me out at Easy Passive Profit or leave a comment down below the video, and I'll help you out to the best that I can. And if you do sign up under my link, you will actually get me as a mentor. I'll be there to help you and guide you with every step of the way. I'm here to help you succeed in your goals in life and what you want to be able to do online. So just keep that in mind. Have a good day.